Hey everyone, this is Jamie Lachlan, Director of Technology with Alamo Heights ISD, and I have been talking with parents about Ourpact for a while, and I wanted to share with you a quick how to set up Ourpact for iOS devices. Now that iOS 12 is out, the app has been removed from the App Store, and so it's confused some people, so I want to walk you through Ourpact setup process. First thing you need to do, go to ourpact.com, sign up for an account. Once you have that account, the account and you have a login, you want to go to these next steps. The first step is simply get your child's device. You're going to go to Safari, and then you can go to pair.ourpact.com. Once there, you're going to log in with that login you just got. And now you're going to create a new child, right? Put your child's name in. And then you're going to press pair and follow the instructions that happen from there. This is what it looks like on my child's device. This is now I'm at pair.ourpact.com. You can see that up here. You're going to click pair there. It's going to pop up, and you're going to say allow, and then you're going to see this screen, and you want to install. This is installing mobile device management software, which is what Ourpact is. You will have to enter a code for the passcode for the phone. This code is one, if your kid already has a passcode, you're going to need their passcode in order to plug that in here. Now you're going to install the profile. You can see that it's verified there. It'll give you this warning. You click install. From there, you're going to have to choose trust because it's telling you it's remote management software. There's no tricks here. You know what you're doing. Again, and from there, you'll plug it in your computer and it'll ask you, do you trust the computer? You're going to choose trust. And then it's going to ask you to plug in the password for your child's Apple account. Assuming they have an Apple account, if this is yours, it'll be your password. But you'll plug in your child's password for that. And then from there, it'll sync up and be logged in. So this is what it looks like in the settings. This is where you see that Ituri Corp is Ourpact. So you'll see that in their settings. In this process where you'll get a pop-up and you'll have to choose whether or not you want premium services. So Ourpact Premium is what gives you all of the tips that I gave in my presentation. And so for me, you've got to upgrade to premium. Once you upgrade to premium, it'll tell you you're going to need to put a utility on your student's device. So to do that, you go to this website, ut.ourpact.com, which is where this is right now, and connect your child's device. You'll download it for Windows or for Mac. In my case, I downloaded it for Mac. This is what it looks like. See, Ourpact, sit down there. And then it'll pop up. You'll say Unlock Premium, Start, Trust this computer. Now it'll back up the device. As that process goes, you'll see this bar down here that will give you a completion process. And then it will restore the device. So it's now backed up, made a copy of your student's device, restored that device. This process allows it to put the utility on there, and it gives you a way to be notified if your student tries to remove Ourpact from the device. Once you do that, you're connected and you can enjoy the app. Now that we know that Apple has removed Ourpact from the App Store and with iOS 12, one thing you'll have to do is go to on your device, not your student's device, on your device that you're going to use to monitor your student, assuming it's an iOS device, go to app.ourpact.com. From there, you'll get a login screen. You're going to want to choose the little square with the arrow pointing up out of it. And from there, you're going to click on this one that says Add to Home Screen. What this will do, pop up this screen, you name it Ourpact. You'll see this logo, and this is now like your web app that you can touch on, log in, and monitor your student's device. It'll look like this once you log in. This is my son's cell phone, right? You can see all the apps that are there and all those things. So gives you the same usage as the regular app when it was in the App Store, but now that it's not there, this is the shortcut. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to me here at the district. You can email me. It's real simple. It's just jlachlan@ahisd.net.